Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your invoice settings. The purpose of the invoice settings is to set up the invoice screen for billing purposes when a patient gets booked for an appointment. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the Invoice Settings panel to expand it. To enable the system to offer settlement discounts on invoices, tick the Enable Discounts box. Once the discounts have been enabled, a discount field will appear in the invoice screen. The Invoice Action on New Appointment drop-down will create an invoice for the new appointment that is based on the original appointment's invoice information. From the drop-down, you can select three options in which the invoice information should be linked between the two appointments. The Always Create a Blank Invoice option will not copy the invoice information from the original appointment, resulting in a blank invoice for the new appointment. The Copy the Invoice Lines option will copy the original appointment's invoice lines to the new appointment's invoice. The Ask Which Lines to Copy option is where the system will give the user the opportunity to choose which invoice lines from the original appointment's invoice should be copied into the new appointment's invoice. To implement this setting, select the original booking on the diary and in the diary sidebar, click on the Add Appointment button. The Apply Modifiers Automatically setting will allow modifiers to be automatically applied based on what was set up. Take note that you can only apply a modifier automatically if it's for a service center. You can also only apply a modifier automatically if there is more than one clinical procedure with the same code. To add an automatic modifier, click on the Add Modifier button, add the modifier code in the field, and select the applicable service center from the drop-down. To delete a modifier, click on the red Delete button next to the respective modifier. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.